Hello and welcome to the Healthy Pfizer Fitness Center's tutorial on logging into our member portal, Fitness Analyst. You'll go to our mobile-friendly website, pfizer.fitnessanalyst.com. Here you will need an ID and password. You can select Forgot ID/password. Your ID is the 6 numbers on the back of your employee badge. It is the 6 numbers after the 2 asterisk symbol or the 2 plus sign. You can select Forgot ID/password. You will type in the email that was used in creating your account, most likely your Pfizer email. You can also try your personal email as well if you do not receive a reset link within 1 to 2 minutes. We'll take you through the process of sending a password reset link. So choose that option, go to your email. You should receive an email from Fitness Analyst. Select that email, scroll down, click here to reset password. Take you to the reset password page, type in a new password, and re-enter that password as well. And you will select change password. It will take you to the login page once again. Type in the ID, which you could receive a reset for the ID as well, and type in that new password. Log me in, and you are all set.